Street dogs make me sick. They're so filthy and don't listen to anything. Ruff! It's mine this time. Ruff! Come on, it'll be really fun, I promise. Who are they to judge street dogs? I mean, they're dogs too. So you're new. I can't help but notice. Your collar's a dead giveaway. I don't know. He's kinda cute, but not that cute. No, I'm not doing that. It's dangerous. Amanda, she's a street dog. Lay off. I don't want any trouble. Please, I mean it. I'll try it. I bet I can do it too. Oh, come on, Tiff. She's not that tough. Just come at it, okay? We could so survive out there. Come on, just a little friendly competition. Are you doing it or what, house pets? Better run, Amanda. Your master's calling you.